way it covers me. Okay. Okay, where's the bat?
You cold?
Okay.
You not?
Come on, straight ahead, straight ahead. Okay. Round, around, around. Okay, now, go. Swing it back.
Swing it.
Ah, right there.
You should have a rope on him or something to pull it out of his way.
Ooh.
It didn't break.
Oh.
You should have a rope on him.
There.
You're supposed to keep hitting it till you.
Oh.
Yeah.
They're gonna break the bat before
Yeah.
it
Need a bigger bat.
It's made in Mexico. It's sturdy.
This bat's bending on me.
You need a heavier duty bat.
Yeah.
We don't have any.
Either a heavy duty bat or a lighter duty pinata.
You gotta work for that.
Oh my goodness. Strike one. Strike one. Strike two.
I didn't know you're supposed to feel around. I think we better spin them around somewhere.
I think you need to give me a better bat.
Yeah, that's about, you don't have a bat? You have a stick?
Here's a shovel.
They go all the way.
There's a handle.
Yeah, go up there while he's being. Hey! It didn't fall out, but you got one. Oh my goodness. Woo! Almost.
Only have one arm left.
Get it?
No.
I know I'm hitting it.
Yeah. It's not opening up. What the heck that thing out? You got a gun? There's a gun, he can shoot it.
Oh my God.
What does it say made of steel?
Blindfolded person.
Oh my goodness, this is hilarious.
Woo, you're connected. You got it.
Woo!
Thank you.
Oh.
You're really connected. Oh, it's about to,
Oh.
it's about to give.
Yeah. You're almost
I
there.
mean, it's about
Pretend like old Satan.
Pretend it's Satan.
Satan.
Yeah, there you go. Pretend it's Satan.
Satan.
Yeah, there you go. You're almost there.
Boy,
Woo!
Oh yeah, there's a hole in it.
you're hitting it good.
Woo! Oh, couple pieces. Couple
I
pieces.
get, oh.
You knocked Mickey Mouse off. Ah, it's hard to hit him now. It's smaller. There you Well, mostly.
It's still there. You got a couple pieces, but not many. Look at him. Look at the bat. I gotta get a zoom in on the bat.
That's about it.
The bat's a goner.
I think you should just grab that thing and pull it down. That's harder than running a marathon.
Yeah! Woohoo!
worked hard for that.
Woo! There's Eric's aggression on the ground.
Newspaper and glue. I think, well, it's just the bat was so flimsy.
Yeah.
That was a lot of work.